Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits. You find us in Adelboden, Switzerland, and we are staying tonight at the famous Cambrian Hotel, which is fantastic with its sort of, how is that called, an endless pool? No? Infinity pool that looks over the Alps. Well, yes, indeed, it has a very good view. And right now we're gonna go to the town of Adelboden to see where we can find something for dinner.
Look inside them, they've got the metal one in there.
Hast du Flugig gesehen da innen, Matilda?
Ja, bitte mal drehen.
He's crazy skinny.
With the end of life and Matilda Visits, we're on the balcony of the Cambrian Hotel here. And look at this enormous view behind us. And by the way, the cameraman for today is, of course, the cuddly Leander.
Matilda Visits. Welcome to Switzerland holiday. And sausage holiday. And cheese holiday.
Matilda, what are you going to have for dinner tonight?
Sausage and bonfit and clown ice cream with Smarties on top.
That sounds amazing.
Schenken dir eine Pause. Vermietung.
Hey, can I have one?
Ui, was ist das?
Cookie.
La vista.
This is Matilda Visits, and we are on our way to one of the many mountains surrounding Adelboden. We're going to try out something super new, and that has opened actually 7 days ago. It's the Vogel Lisi way. Vogel Lisi is this story that originates from Adelboden of this girl called Elizabeth and her friend. And yeah,
And Vogel means bird.
well, we have just arrived at the top here in Adelboden, and there is a marathon race on right here. Yes, there is people crazy enough to run across these mountains, and look at that, really very steep.
Du die Vögel fliegen und tauschen mit Vogel Lisi und Frau Joseph und allen ein.
Dad, was ist das für?
Was ist das? Ein Batterie.
Matilda, are you climbing into the nest?
It is. Hier noch runterrutschen. Be just like you. What's the question? Aren't you meant to say something about what she's eating? Das ist Mini-Rahm mit Champagner.
Sit down on the table and then I'll cook you some lunch.
Thank you.
Ich mache Pancakes. Willst du der Eisen drauf legen?
That's it from Matilda Visits from Adelboden. We had such an awesome time on this Vogel Lisi trail, a fantastic new way, only open for 7 days. It's great for kids, so many adventures to explore, so many things to answer. And yeah, you've got like a riddle sheet that you have to fill out. We're gonna hand that in now at the middle station, and we'll see what kind of surprise Matilda will get. So thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing and commenting, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.